We're now learning that 2 years ago, Saipov attended a wedding at Osprey Cove Apartments in Fort Myers. And one of the people he was with at the time was the subject of a terrorism investigation by the FBI under surveillance. And that revelation raising concerns that there might be the possibility of other people with terror links living among us here in Southwest Florida. For In Your Corner, Sam Sosa, getting your concerns addressed by speaking with a retired FBI agent. Sam?
This is a pretty normal apartment complex, home to families and college kids. But now we're learning this is where Sayfullo Saipov first got on the FBI's radar. Alarming for some of the people who live here and makes them wonder if there are people who want to do harm in the community. Feds are investigating Sayfullo Saipov's ties to Fort Myers. They're already questioning one of his Southwest Florida connections, Muhammad Zora Kadirov. Now the FBI is shifting its focus to a wedding Saipov attended in Fort Myers 2 years ago. It happened at this clubhouse inside the Osprey Cove community, reportedly home to some of Saipov's relatives at the time. People who live here tell me it's a quiet place.
It's pretty safe. We got a lot of college kids and then a lot of snowbirds that come down for the winter.
The New York Times reports a person at that 2015 wedding was being watched as part of a terrorism investigation. This is when Saipov first appeared on the Fed's radar, though they say his attendance didn't prompt an investigation.
It's a little concerning.
Naturally, it causes people to kind of look around them more, to be more situationally aware.
I spoke with attorney Bob Foley, a retired special agent with the FBI. He tells me with more than 1,000 active terror investigations nationwide and Florida's population of 20 million people, it's not far-fetched to think someone under federal scrutiny could be living in your community. So what are the feds looking for? Connections.
Doesn't necessarily mean that all 1,000 or more of those cases are, known negative terrorist threats. They could be affiliates. They could be material supporters by way of finance or other supplies or equipment.
It's unclear if the FBI is still investigating the person who went to the wedding here. They haven't named that person or said why they were under scrutiny. In Fort Myers, Sam Sosa, Fox 4, In Your Corner.
All right, thank you.